This is a big cherry tree over here, and all you have to do is put 2 tablecloths under there and shake the tree when the cherry is ripe. But cherry not in season. Don't seem like cherry is in season. But all you do is put 2 big tablecloths under there and just shake and get all the cherries. Oh yeah, when they're ripe, you just shake the trees. You get all your cherries. And that's the coconut tree up there. But these are some tiny coconuts, and sometimes they get fungus. So it's not like the regular coconut. Sometimes you get 1 or 2 good ones, and then the rest is they have fungus in them. Yeah. And that's mango tree right here. This is a mango tree. It's bearing now. It has see, it has some mangoes. They don't have mangoes on it, but you see it springing up with little buds and stuff to bear mango. Yeah. So all this is nice mango tree. And you can see, oh, see a regular coconut tree here now. See, regular coconut tree there. See if I could bring it in a little. Oh yeah. So you can see it more. It's across the neighbor. I don't know if I'm getting it good, but I'll get it. Coconut tree loaded. Across the neighbor of coconut loaded. Well, this is Manchester. A very fruitful place, Manchester. Manchester have all type of stuff. Nothing not catch your foot, I just see your hand. Handwork. Okay. She's using the hand. I get a fancy tool from Amazon. But I love to use the little part of the knife. Just like what Laverne using now to take it out. That's why I love to take it out like that. But Amazon have fancy tool that you just take and remove the coconut. But you see how she removing the coconut. An expert remove coconut. And she's gonna make you some dark drops. Grater cake, not drops. Grater cake. We're gonna make drops one day too. I'm doing all the videos that not on my channel. And you see, this is good to catch fire with. The inside of the coconut, it's good to catch fire. Or you can drink from the coconut, you can drink out of this. All you have to do is saw it in two. Make sure it not break. You just saw it in two and take out the coconut. And you can use it as a little dish. Because we have coconut dish down here too. And we have another one called...
craft people and use it.
You can use it all make earring, everything. This is a good crafting tool. Crafting things here. Yeah. If I was doing crafting, then I would take this out now. And I draw 2 earrings and make it and show you and polish it and everything. You know? I did art and craft at the community center. I'm a jack of all trade. I do art and craft with, I think the lady named Miss Spence. Miss Spence was the lady name. I did a lot of art and craft with her. So these you take and make earrings and bundles with Miss Spence at the Balaclava Community Center in the 80s. She was there in the 80s making crafts. So we do bangles with these, polish them and everything. Rub them down, polish them, and we make bangles and earrings. Very good for bangles and earrings. And this is nature. Nature bangles and earrings. And if you want to paint it in the ice green and gold, black, green and gold, you can. Yeah. I put a Jamaica flag, draw it out into a Jamaica flag, and use it. Good to use, man. And sell as art and craft. I know they sell them down in Montego Bay. But in country, you won't get any sale here, so you don't bother with that. You get sale with the Grater cake and the drops and the coconut bun and everything, but we don't want into too much earring and stuff. We into food. Hold your belly. That's what we into. Yeah. Alright, so this is all done. So we're gonna grater now. Okay, we are on the part now where we are finished gratering. So we're gonna just grate this piece for you to see. Yeah. I think that is the finest part of the grater, no?
Yeah, the finest.
Yeah, the finest part of the grater we use to grate it. To make it, to shred it to make the grater cake, the finest part. We're gonna grate that top piece. That is the last piece. And when you sit down and grate it, it's easier. Sit at the kitchen counter trying to grate it. Just sit, put it in your lap, grate it. It's going in the bowl, not going in your lap. That's how they do it on a yard here. They sit down and grate the coconut. And they make drops. They have something called drops. They have something called grater cake. So I only drops on grater cake, no sir?
And then we put ginger.
Yeah.
Pinch of salt.
So when making this grater cake, we're gonna add a little ginger and a pinch of salt. The salt and the sugar taste very, very good. Ginger, salt, and sugar tastes good. Give it a great flavor. You don't put vanilla?
Some people, if they want nutmeg in there.
Some people put nutmeg and vanilla too in there, and it's nice. All the spices are good in there too. And this is the brown grater cake, and you have the white one with the pink in the middle. And now you can put any color you want. Back then they just put what they have, the white one and the white part and the pink part. They put back then. But now you can do it brown, red, white, pink, any color you want. So we have every flavor. Great. I make it today in brown because they don't like the coloring. But I'll get it to make for you in all colors. Very different colors. I'm gonna buy like a full pack of graded food coloring. Let me take this. This is how she tied them out in individual bags for sale. In Jamaica, we sell everything. You know, you have the people them to buy it. Especially the people them that go to the market. They'll buy this for $50 and sell it back for $100. But if you can sell it for $100, it's better for you. Because people always want things a little and sell it back for the big price. And you do all the work. So when you can sell it without retailing it out, it's better for you.
This is it.
Yeah, this is it. She finished now. Okay. She finished them now, so I'm gonna let me record this. Yeah, so this is it. Tap 1 minute right lover, let me tell them. Tap 1 minute, let me tell them and turn it off. Yeah, this is it. This is the brown grater cake, okay? Brown grater cake. This is it. Okay, brown grater cake.